Hey everybody, I'm back again today with my nephew Jay.
Hey everybody!
And we're going to be opening a trainer's toolkit box. I recently purchased this for £25.95 I think, and already they've gone back up in price to £35. So what we're doing today is going to see if it's worth its money. I'll let you do the honours, and do you want to open the box? Ready?
I try.
Try.
I've actually opened it.
I'm going to say that cling film's normally right hard to get off. Okay, so we have the toolbox,
Now,
or toolkit. So that's one side. Trying to see how you open this. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's actually like a toolbox.
Ah, it's quite cool that. So that's what you get inside. I'm trying not to make sure it doesn't all fall out. So we have the clear packs,
Oh, that's cool.
which are quite cool, yeah. Well, they're cool. They're definitely going in my collection box.
Yeah.
We have a code card for you guys. That can be chucked to one side. So I think we have the first pack, which has monster cards in it, I think. If you want to open that one, but I'll try and have a look at this other pack.
Okay.
So,
What's already opened? I just opened it.
oh, it's one of them easy open ones.
Yeah. Wow! I just opened it.
I'll let you open them ones while I start. Oh, so you already get a Dende GX. Okay, you get two Dende GXs. That's kind of cool. They'll be put to one side. I'll let you get a better look at that, sorry. Then we have a trainer card.
You get two of each. Oh,
No, we don't. I think these are all going to be trainers, not monsters. I reckon they are basically starter kits, basically help out, improve your decks. But yeah, so far they're all trainers.
Now,
Not too bad.
I think these are all energies.
Okay, so are they literally all energies?
Yeah, you look like it.
Oh yeah, we have got a whole pack here of energy cards. So out of this box so far, we only got 2 GX cards and trainers and energies.
Disappointing.
A little bit. Yeah, we are talking all energies here. Okay. But we do get a nice little pack of dice. Oh, a sparkly one in there.
Well, I've never seen one of them. I've never actually seen a dice in one.
And then we have, obviously we have the counters.
Yeah.
We get 2 books. And then we have the trainer toolkit deck guide. It just shows you bits and bobs and, well, I'm not too sure. I might have to read this later. Not bad. It's a nice little box though to keep all your cards in. Okay, this is what we get also. So we have a Sun and Moon Unbreaking Bonds pack, a Sword and Shield pack, and we get 2 Rebel Clash packs. I think we'll start with the Rebel Clash, then we'll start with Sword and Shield, and then finish up with the Unbroken Bonds. I'll let you open the pack, buddy.
Okay. If I can. Got it. Is it like 3 or 4 card trick?
4 card trick on these ones, bud, and don't forget to show the code.
So yeah, first I got the code, if you can see. Yeah. And then, let's see. So, 4 off the back, 3.
4. Got one of these.
1, 4. So I think we're going to start with energy.
Yeah.
Yep.
We have a fire energy.
Enough. Speed and energy.
Energy. We have a metapod. I struggled pronouncing this last time. It's a Heliolisk, I think.
Looks like a dinosaur a bit, if you look at it.
It does actually. Oh, a lizard. We have a Surskit. A Snuffle. A Coughing.
We've got loads of them.
I know. We got a shiny in the last one.
Yeah.
An Impidimp.
I didn't see any of them.
I think we got 1 or 2 because I remember laughing at it last time. We have a Shinx. A shiny Heliolisk.
And then
a Egg Slash. We got one of them ones in the last packs as well.
not a lot though.
No, I think we only got 1.
Still cool.
Not bad, not bad.
So are you going to open the next pack?
Yeah, I'll try opening a Rebel Clash. Whether I can or can't is obviously.
Really hard.
Yep, I can't. 1 second, guys. So, of course, we have the online code for you guys. Then we'll do the 4 cards. 3, 4.
Energy.
So we have a Fighting Energy. We have a Ox2. A Tranquil. Medicham. Helio Tile.
Something like that.
I think that is the first form of the shiny we just pulled in the first pack.
Cool.
Honedge, quite cool. A Litwick. A Galarian Corsola. A Binacle. Binacle? Ah, that Binacle. A shiny Chatot, which I think we've already got.
Like loads.
Well, when I check it, you might be able to get it. And then we have a an Intellion V.
It felt like there was more in that pack than the other.
I know, they felt a lot thicker.
Yeah.
That's quite a cool card. Okay, I'll let
I've
you
seen
do
loads of them.
a Sword and Shield.
I'm going to try and open it in front of the camera if I can. I can't. I just destroyed it.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Oh. I give up. Don't expect.
Give up.
So, yep. First, we've got the code.
There we go.
And then
Let's see what we've got.
3.
4 on these ones as well, I think.
Okay.
I think they're all going to be 4 because the last pack's a Sun and Moon.
2, 3, and 4. There we go. I think we're going to start with energy. Yep. Let's start with energy.
A Leaf Energy. A Galarian Stunfish.
Never heard of
Fisk.
him.
Sorry. We have a Pokemon Center Lady.
Trainer.
We have a Seaking.
Hmm.
We also have a Ferroseed.
Not bad.
Not bad. Oh, we have a Goldeen to go with a Seaking.
Oops, just showed them all.
We have a Roselia. I can never pronounce that one either. A Joltik.
Never seen one.
What?
Joltik.
Oh yeah, we've had loads of Joltiks.
I've never seen half of these cards actually.
Silicobra.
And
A shiny Rhyperior reverse hollow.
it's
Quite cool.
Yeah.
And the final card. Wait!
Did we get?
Yes, we got the V. And we also have a standard hollow Intellion.
Cool. That's cool.
Not bad, not bad.
You gonna open this one?
Yeah, so I'm going to be opening the Sun and Moon's Unbroken Bonds, which I think in this one you have a chance of getting the tag teams. So where you get 2 monsters on 1 card.
There we cool. Like the
In fact, can you
pack.
open it? Because I'm going to try and save that packet. And you know what I'm like.
Not really good. The bit.
As long as it still looks decent from the front.
Bit the back.
Ah well, it'll be alright. I've seen worse. Okay, so from that pack, I forgot it already. We have the code. And then I think it's 4 from the back again.
Or 3, might be 3.
I think it's still 4 because it's Sun and Moon, so it's still
Oh,
one of
no.
the newer packs. Yeah,
Oh yeah,
4. So we have a Dark Energy,
Trainer.
a Devolution Spray Z, a Metapod, Koga's Trap, Crab Brawler, a Sandile, an Oddish.
And zoom in.
It's one at first gen, that. Meltan, Spearow,
Oh,
a Shiny Pikachu, that's quite a good one,
yep.
and a Standard Sea King. Wow. So, in my opinion, I don't think it's personally worth the money, especially what it's now, because I think it's gone up to £35. Obviously, it's still quite a cool thing to have, because I will be keeping the box, which is right here. So you do get a cool trainer kit toolkit. You get 4 packs, and then you get, which I think is guaranteed in everyone, you get your 2 Dende GXs. But other than that, I don't know. I don't personally think it was worth it, for especially when the other packs you could get for that money.
Me neither. It's like whole trainers and energies.
I know. They do put a lot of trainer and energy cards in this one.
Yeah.
But other than that, guys, thank you for watching again, and we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah. Bye.